In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when it says something went wrong, try again in the Google Play Store. So sometimes you get this error message within the Google Play Store, and sometimes there's just something actually wrong within the Google Play Store. So if you're getting that message when you try and go into the Google Play Store or do anything there, sometimes you just have to wait it out and they may be doing an update or something like that and fixing whatever's wrong with it. But if that's not the case, then what you want to do is make sure you're on a stable internet connection. So you can test that by just going to any website. You can go to Google and then you can search something random on Google, hit search. And if your internet is working fine, then you've completed that step successfully to check if your internet is stable. The next thing you want to do is you want to go out of the browser or whatever you did and then open up the settings on your phone. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find the option that says accounts and backup. Then at the top, you want to tap on manage accounts. Then that's going to show you all your different Google accounts. You want to select your Google account that's connected to your Google Play Store. So I'll select it right now. And then you want to tap on this button at the top that says sync account. And then you can go back to the Google Play Store to see if it's working. The next step you can go do is go back. Then you want to find where it says apps within your settings. So I'll scroll to the bottom and then here it says apps. If I tap on apps, I just need to find the Google Play Store. So here it is right here. If I tap on Google Play Store, what we want to do is now scroll down till we find storage. So it's right there. And then what we want to do is tap on the clear cache button. So we're going to clear the cache. That's done. Then we want to tap on the clear the data button right over there. Then you want to clear the data. And then the last thing that you can try and do to fix this problem is to restart your phone. So for me, I just hold down the power button and then you just tap on restart and then restart your phone. And those are some of the fixes that you can try and do if you're getting the something went wrong, try again error in the Google Play Store in 2022. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.